Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with a review. I bought a new bag. I bought a Balenciaga bag, which I'm so excited about. I've been working so hard. I've been saving up much money, my little coins to get this bag, and honestly it's the first bag that I bought that has colour in it. I am going to be doing an unboxing, a bit of a review, and what I can fit in the bag as well. Before we get in with this video, I do want to say make sure you're liking, commenting, subscribing, showing love, supporting the hustle, thumbs upping, all that stuff. So the bag that I bought is the Neo Classic mini bag. It did come in this gold bag. Balenciaga have changed their bags for the Christmas time, and this bag is giving me life. You guys know that I love gold jewelry, gold hardware. It did come in this lovely grey box that says Balenciaga on the front. I do really love this box. Usually Balenciaga don't actually do boxes when they give their bags. They just put the bags in a dust bag, because I have bought one before, which I'm also going to do a review on. So the regular Balenciaga bags do look like this box. So they're grey and they have the black on the front. We're going to open this box now and I'm so excited. Honestly, I can't contain my excitement. You can probably see the little glisten in my eyes. I'm looking at this box like it's the love of my life. Some people got kids, some people got a man. I got a new bag. Let me stop. Let me... So I'm just going to take this lid off. Oh, it's like a grey wrapping paper. I'm so excited. You can probably see my grey joggers. Comfort is key, okay? So don't watch that. Here it is in its little grey dust bag with Balenciaga on the front. Here it is. Anyone who knows me knows I never get bags that are of colour, just because I always just think that it's going to go out of fashion. I like classic, timeless bags that I can throw on with any outfit and they're not really a hindrance. I don't really need to think of the outfit I'm going to wear them with. I can just throw them on and go. Whereas I needed a pop of colour, and what better colour to get than pink? I just love it. On the Balenciaga website it does say that it's pink, but it is like a purpley pink. I needed a pop of colour in my closet. Okay, I needed something that would literally make a statement and make any bland basic outfit pop. If you look at the contrast between my red nails and this bag, I love red on pink, bright blue on pink. I love color blocking as well. I don't do it often, but when I do, I really do it. If you look at the leather of this bag, you can see that it's grained, and I really do like grained leather on my bag, only because it really wears well. So after a few years it will still look the same, whereas bags like my YSL Lulu bag, you can start to see creases where you've been opening the bag because it is a soft leather, whereas grained leather does wear extremely well. It does also have the tone on tone Balenciaga logo at the front. It's not really in your face, and that's something that I really liked about this bag. It lets the detail do the talking rather than the actual logo of the brand. So as you can see there at the top, it does have a zip closure. Again, that's something that is really essential for me when I have bags, only because I get scared that someone's going to reach into my bag. So I don't really like when there's just a button. I do prefer a zipped bag. As well as having a zipped closure, the zip also has knotted leather pullers, which really added to the detailing of the bag, and I really felt like it made the bag look more interesting and more edgy, and I feel like this one looked great paired up with leather. As well as the main zip having a knotted leather puller, the little pocket on the front as well also has the same kind of zip. It really adds something to the bag. I just feel like it makes the bag look so much more interesting and cool. The zip detail was actually one of the main reasons that I purchased this bag. I really enjoyed the detailing along the top handles. There is two top handles and they both have this kind of braided effect on the front, which again matches the braided effect on the zip. The silver hardware of the bag also looks quite aged. So over time, it just starts to look better. It's a bit like a leather jacket. When you get a real leather jacket over time, it starts to age and it just makes the leather look a lot better. So yeah, I feel like this metal looks really cool. I rarely steer towards getting metal hardware when it comes to my bags, only because I rarely wear it. I'm always wearing gold earrings, gold jewelry, everything I usually wear, whether it's a belt as well, I always get gold hardware. I will probably have to wear a ring like this if I am wearing this bag because I have issues. I have issues with mixing metals. It gives me anxiety. This bag also does have 2 buckle features on the front here, which I do really like. I feel like it just adds to the edginess of the bag. I don't really have any edgy bags like this. I do tend to steer away from anything that has details like this bag. It's really weird that I actually really liked it because a lot of my bags are classic bags. Like I have the Gucci Marmot bag, I have the YSL Lulu bag, and I feel like they're quite classic pieces. This bag is probably something that I would tend to wear more in the day. I feel like it does have quite a casual look to it. I'd only really wear this in the night if I was wearing leather or if I was wearing a really edgy outfit. I can see myself wearing this with bang t-shirts. Even if I was wearing a hoodie, I'll probably wear this. A leather jacket would look great with this. I am super, super excited to style this bag, as you can probably tell from the way that I'm describing all these outfits. I do feel like this front pocket was made for detail purposes, to make the bag look more edgy, because it's a really small pocket. I don't feel like you'd really fit much in there. I think what I would actually put in this front pocket is rings. Sometimes towards the end of the day or end of the night, I'll tend to take my jewelry off, and I feel like that's a great place to put it because it is safe. It is a pocket that I'll probably forget that I'll even put them in there and find my rings like 10 years later. Another thing that I like about this bag is how long the zip at the top is. I feel like it again adds to the edginess of the bag. It is super longer when I stretch it out like this. That's actually quite funny. They do tend to just flop over at the side like so. I do also like that it has 2 zips. I feel like again it just adds something extra to the bag. Inside it does come with a long strap. The inside of the bag does look like this. So there is one big compartment. There is a second small compartment here as well, and I'd probably put cards in here or my house keys. When I was shopping for this bag, I did have 2 different options that I was looking at, and I was looking at this exact bag in the nano, but the nano fits a lot less in there, which is crazy because I was just thinking, should I just get the cheaper bag because I've stopped spending so much on bags? But I did get the bigger bag because I just felt like I would wear it more and I'd fit a lot more in it, and it just makes more sense. I did want to show you what you can actually fit in this bag, so I've taken a few bits out of my other handbag that I use on a daily basis to show you guys the size of this bag. Now, first off, we've got a battery pack. This is an essential in my day-to-day life. If you don't have one, you need to get one. It saves me when I go away. It saves me all the bloody time. It is humongous and it's literally the size of my phone. So let's see if that fits in there. That fits in well. The next thing we have is my passport case, and it's got my passport in there, so I'm just gonna pop that in there too. You guys know I love traveling. I've also got my very old DKMI card holder that I need to replace because it's falling apart, but we're gonna pop that in. Everything's fitting in there pretty well, if I'm being honest. My phone, of course, an essential that we use all the time. So you can see that it's fit quite a lot in there, and there is still space to pop like your lip gloss, your AirPod case. Another reason why I opted for this bag was because there's a few ways you can actually wear this. So you can wear it the regular way, holding it from the 2 handles at the top. So if you want to be a little bit more bougie and hold your bag like so, you can do using the 2 handles at the top. If you are going out to, let's say, run errands and you don't want to wear this bag like so, it does come with a long strap. The strap does come with this little thick bit at the top, which does usually sit on your shoulder, whether you're wearing it crossbody or you're wearing it hanging off your shoulder. This is essential to me in a lot of my bags. I feel like when you wear a bag and it has a thin strap, it tends to hurt your shoulder a lot. I don't know if that even makes any sense, but the thicker straps I feel like are a lot more comfortable. So yeah, I'm really happy that it had this thicker strap to have on my shoulder. In order to attach these straps to the bag, it does have a little loop here just to kind of attach it, and opposite on the other side at the front, it does have another one there too. I don't know the actual name of this clasp, but it is the kind of clasp that you push in order to get the loop inside to attach it. You literally just push it in and you just push the loop in. There we are, and it's attached there. Let's just say you wanted your bag to be sitting in front of you rather than on the side. You can just move it forward and adjust it again. So now it sits perfectly on my shoulder and my bag is in front of me. You can also see, look at the contrast between my black boring turtleneck and this pop of color statement edgy bag. I really feel like Balenciaga are really switching it up on us. Before they came up with the hourglass and neo bags, I feel like Dior and Prada were having their time. Looking forward, I feel like it is Balenciaga's time to shine. I do see so many hourglass bags out when I'm in Central, so I feel like they're really doing their thing and a lot of people are enjoying their accessories at the moment, me in particular. That is the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys liked, loved, and adored this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave your girl a thumbs up. Show some love. There'll be more videos like this coming. As I always say, I'm going to be doing more review videos because I love fashion as well as traveling, so I do both. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. That was a good video. That was a good video. Okay, you go, girl.